If you ain't trying to get a bag, then dip. Cause see, I ain't got time for a wimp. I want a real who gon' stick with me. I want some real who gon' pimp with me. If you ain't trying to get a bag, then dip. Alright, good morning, y'all. It's June 8th. I never even finished telling y'all yesterday all the stuff that I had on the agenda for today. I really need a new tripod because this one, she not holding up like we need her to. Okay. So today I think I have like 3 events to attend. The first one, I got a performance at Stax Museum. Yeah, for Family Day, 15-minute set. Then after that, I think I'm going to celebrity basketball game. I'm trying to see right now if I'm gonna make it. Or if I even want to go. I may or may not go because I do need rest in between. So we will just see. I just did my lashes. I don't really like how they turned out. They're all over the place, like, but I just wanted to put something on my face. Like, my eyelashes look like 2 different people did them. Like, this one looked like it need one right there. It look a little naked. I feel like I need a lash right there. And then, like, ain't nothing over here. I don't know. It look like I'm cross-eyed. Let y'all see. They don't look right. But I'm not about to do nothing else to my eyeballs. Like, let me see. Hold on, let me see. Am I cute? I feel like I definitely need another one right here. It just look... It made my eyes look far apart. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna try to stick a lash right there. I'm trying to remember to vlog, y'all. It keeps slipping my mind, child. Because I'm really trying to get everything together and make sure nothing gets forgotten or left behind. I'm pretty much dressed. I got my sunscreen and stuff on. I'm playing my show disc because I haven't performed some of the songs on this show disc in a minute. So, wanted to make sure I'm prepared. Get my camera, my content stuff packed. Batteries. Need to pack my shades. These prescription, but I'm gonna be wearing them today at some point. Ooh. I think the hat is my new swag. And one show I'm gonna do tennis shoes, and the show later on this evening I'm gonna pop on some heels. I have to wear a chunky heel on stage because, baby, don't fall. Okay, babes, don't fall. So yeah, pink and black is the attire for today. Yeah, and I'll just throw on these black shoes, and my toes are hot pink too, so that'll be perfect. Also, my pants are long bell bottom, so a heel is just going to be better. But one of the songs for my first show is a dance song, and I cannot do those type of moves in those freaking heels. So I'm gonna throw on some. I don't have no good, cute, all black shoes. Like the all black tennis shoes. I got my platforms and stuff. This is the only black shoe I got, and this is not no performance shoe. This is my workout shoe. So there's that. Let me make sure I put these up there because I want to slide on. I have all of our non-profit like flyers and stuff for the table. I'm printing out some sign-up sheets and posters. And I need to grab a tablecloth because I know they got me a table, but I don't think I got a cloth. Get rid of your doubt. Got the heart in the hustle. I had to learn to get. Could you stop rubbing up on me, hair body? Like your son. Good Lord. Oh, I'm out of paper. Hold on. They say I'm too proper to even be rapping. I make every syllable me. They think cause I'm into the politics. I can never be from the bricks. When you got it wrong, third wall was humming on the next black president. My heart way bigger than my body. People say don't wear it on your sleeve. They're trying to figure out my niche. But that's what makes me me. I wanna rock at the block. The bad to those in need. And of course my lawyers are strong. So you know I'm dropping raps on those who help me. Trap, trap me. Okay, so, oh, y'all can't see it. The light is way too bright. What if I turn my light on? Okay, there we go. So, these is for the people who want to sign up for our different programs. I just printed 2 of each sheet. That's all I'm gonna do. And they can sign up if they like. And really quick, I'm going to print. Is this poster paper?
I just wanna have a good night. Hold up. No.
Say it, Leo.
If you broke, then you gotta let them know. You could have anybody, any money, no. Cause when you a boss, you could do what you want. Hey, baby. Cause girls is players too. The bitches get money all around the world. Cause girls is players too. I got a white boy on my roster. He be feeding me pasta and lobster. He just hit me up on Tuesday like, what you doing, babe? Let me take you shopping. Well, I gotta go. They just let me know that I could pick up my Mercedes. I got hoes. Might just be your nigga in different area codes.
I'm gonna show you. So this is to repel pests. I gotta take this off. So he gonna come till this. This how you sprinkle it. You just sprinkle it just like this. So you just gonna go different rows. This gonna keep bugs and stuff out the garden.
Keep them away. Hi.
Oh my God, ain't got. It wasn't nothing in there no way. Let me see that.
There is a lot of stuff.
Cause it's all on her. Come this way so it don't blow back in your face. God, leave the wind. It's not heavy. It says 34. Yeah. Why is the wind blowing like that? I don't know. So I need to take a picture too because you gonna take a picture, Leah.
Yeah. I can just take one on my phone and just send it to yours.
I feel like this more than the other. What you think? I don't know.
Girl. Hi.
Watch them do it. Collect my money.
They could keep that. Say that little $80 right there. Just come back, drink chicken. Should have brought some board games or something. They would have did it. Some cars or something. This how I knew go to. When we need a little getaway, just bring some cars. Come down here and kick it for the song. Yep. They hit the ground. Okay, it's gonna tell you stuff on there. So don't hover until it tell you what to do next. If it tell you you can play again, or you play again. So I think you go again, Liz. 2 out of 5. Alright. So it's gonna let you do 5 of them.
Yeah.
It counts in hundreds. And I got it in there. So it's the 150. Yeah, the person you need, you got it in there. Pretty much feel it like I almost got it.
All right now.
Yeah, chop them to the game.
Let's get it off the tee first.
That was first ball. Hold on. Let's see where his going. Told you.
Pointed it out. Ain't no practice.
No practice. This is what happened my first shot. No practice.
All these icons.
There you go.
Good one. Yeah.
Really good bounce.
That look brutal.
You playing old man
Look,
ball.
I'm looking at this stuff.
Don't play. Watch out.
My mama and me still gotta go.
Ooh.
Them are my shots.
You doing better than that.